Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to install a door restrictor on a set of French doors, same principle on a single door. This will basically allow your door to stop going all the way by the 45°, or you can tailor it to your needs. I'll do some close-ups, I'll work away, and I'll speak through what I'm doing. I've lost a little step ladder, so I'm going to be using a chair. First of all, measure in from the corner over 110mm. Put a pencil line at 110. Next part is to open up your door restrictor. Pull this little small piece is for the frame. Pull that away right to the end. Just watch the little block doesn't come out at the end. And install the edge up to the 110mm line, and swing the larger part over and fit it into the Euro groove track on the top of the door. So screw in the little frame piece at the 110mm mark. On both sides. That gives you a nice solid fix in the frame. Manoeuvre your door to the desired degree. So I'm going to go for a 45. Bring your step ladders, and the furthest away point, you have a little white nylon block. Screw that in place. That takes 2 screws. Slightly shut your door to expose the other end nylon block. Now screw that into place. Same again, 2 screws. Now you see your door restricts at 45mm. Close, concealed, and this stops it swinging back. Thank you.